Are you having a difficult time on choosing a toothbrush? Well, my name is Michelle, and I'm a dental assistant with Solutions, and I'm here to help you correctly choose a toothbrush. As you've already probably noticed, if you walk down the aisle at the pharmacy and you've noticed there is a large variety of different toothbrushes out there, depending on the patient and the person that's buying the toothbrush would also depend on what type of toothbrush you're going to get. If you're buying for a child, of course, you actually need to buy it in a smaller size toothbrush, something with soft bristles, so therefore is not as hard on the child's gums. If you're buying for like a teenager, you can buy a medium-sized toothbrush, or vice versa, if you're buying for an adult, you would buy just a regular-sized toothbrush. Now, with toothbrushes come the bristles, and the bristles are all different. You have hard bristles, you have soft bristles, so depending on the patient and what type of teeth that you have, if you have natural teeth, if you have crowns, if you have bridges or dental implants, or if you have dentures, would reflect on what type of toothbrush you need to purchase. Now, personally, I like the soft toothbrushes because I have natural teeth, and with the soft toothbrush, it's a lot easier on my gums. It's not going to be as harsh as a hard toothbrush would be, which in return would prevent for me to have any gum recession with a soft toothbrush. Also, too, the bristles are a lot thinner and softer, so it's easier to get in there and brush your teeth correctly, which in return will help prevent with any cavities or decay in the future. If you have, as far as like bridges and dentures and crowns in your mouth, then you might want to purchase more of a toothbrush with harder bristles. This will really focus on putting pressure on your crowns and on the bridges to get any bacteria or debris that might be stuck to them. Also, too, with the harder toothbrushes, you really want to be careful, though, that you're not putting too much pressure on your gums, because if you put too much pressure on your gums will actually start to recede, which would cause sensitivity to your teeth. So it's always best to consult with your general dentist that you see on a regular basis and kind of get his ideas on what type of toothbrush would be great for you. But other than that, hopefully I've helped you to choose a correct toothbrush. My name is Michelle, and I'm a dental assistant with Solutions. Thank you.